Hello, this is Raquel and I'm with Elvin. And we're at Ikea. We just want to check out, what they have new in there for the season. So we're going to go in there. So we'll take you guys along with us. These kitchen towels. These are $9.99 for 4 kitchen towels.
Oh, they're rinsing cloths.
They have these little crates. These are, see the price for the crates. Oh, actually, the crates are what's $9.99. The arrow showing the crates and the towels. Yeah, because I was wondering why the towels were so pricey. So the towels are 4 packs for $3. Cutting boards are $7.99.
It's not bad. I like it. You can hang it. Yeah, you can hang this thing like that.
$14.99.
How much?
$14.99.
$15. You guys looking for kitchen designs? Could get a little inspiration from IKEA. It's not a little island. Actually, it's pretty nice. Ooh, what you got there, Blue?
Which is weird. It's a hi-fi, it's a hand, and it is $7.99.
It's pretty cool. Wooden hand. These straws are nice, it's smooth.
These lights is not bad. Look at the lights. These are $39.99. Pendant lamp.
Yeah, these are nice. You got a little table and chair and a little nook. Yeah.
Yeah. The chair is $15.99. You see how comfy this is? It feels good. They're small, but it feels good. Just to get up out of it now. $12.99 for this. And it's not like only this, you're getting just this. $12.99. This is cute, I like it. It's a little bit shaky.
Yeah.
Good for the little patio outside. That's gonna be my word all day. And this is the one of their bedroom portion. I like those lamps, those are cute. Let me see the price for this. $20? Wow, that's not bad. It's that wicker material. It's pretty. Oh, this is not bad. It's $20. Wow, it's not bad at all. We have another little stick man. Oh, it's closer? Oh no, you can. You like this one?
Yeah, it's different. I like
This
it.
one is $12.99.
And you could form his arms and head whichever way you want, right?
Yeah. He almost reminds me of a nutcracker. Let's look at all these neutral sofas. Everybody want neutral in their house now. This one is really pretty. I like that. This one is nice too. You feel the material? It's washable too. I think you could just take everything off and wash it. But I really like this one in the middle. and they're $800. They have some more colors over here. They have gray and blue. More of the sandy color. That's pretty. And they have a blue one over here. Well, actually, this one is a little bit different. This one is softer. This one is more like velvet. And they have the dark green. This one is cheaper. This one is $7.99.
Oh, $6.99.
Yeah, sorry, $6.99.
Look at this one. Kind of remind me of some out of the Golden Girls.
Yeah, reminding me of the 70s, 80s, and the 90s. And then they have a plaid one. But the plaid one is on sale.
Kind of like in the plaid one.
Yeah, this one is $4.38. Yeah, it's that rough texture. It's nice, I like it. Oh, look at this one.
It's not bad. I like this color
this
actually.
one, the price is good. It's $4.49. It's a nice light gray and it feels good. It's springy. Feels good. And it's big too. That's an excellent price. This one is really nice. $7.99.
Yeah.
And then they have...
It looks comfy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Pillowcases. 20 by 20.
Oh, those are
And
nice.
they're $6.99. I like that. These are nice. I'll consider these.
This.
So I guess all of this is Dragon Fire, the cabinet. Yeah. This one here, the TV stand.
Oh, and you got storage.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
3 and 4. $14.99.
That's a cute little goat.
Is it a goat?
I don't know. It kind of look like a goat
yeah,
to
it
me.
is. It's a goat.
Oh, look at that. I got it right. Yeah.
Yeah, $14.99.
Wow, they got the pendants up here too.
Yeah,
It's nice.
the price is good. The last one we saw was black, and these are the white ones. It's pretty. I'd rather the white one. I like these. You like those ones?
I like them, yeah. They just sort of, what's the word? It's not too fancy, but it's nice and
Yeah, I like
clean.
them.
Oh, look at these. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
The material. Oh, they're paper.
Yeah, $7.99.
They're nice for the Christmas season. This is a good size and excellent price, $7.99. This one is $69.
They look like it, yeah, it could fold. That one could fold.
Yeah. This one, those are $39. I like this one in the middle right here, $129. And then they have the metal ones for $19.99, and then they have some more colors down here, the green and the black. And also a tray, pick me up.
Oh, that is cool.
This is for like syrup or something. Oh, sugar. It's a sugar shaker. Interesting. $3.99. That's different. It's a nice little plastic. $12.99. Simple and nice. This is coffee for one.
No, that's coffee for at least two.
That's nice. I like that. Gold apple. Is it a bird or it got bird's feet? But I like them though. They're different.
I guess you gotta use the imagination.
I guess so.
Because from a distance, it's like, is that the bird's behind? Let's see if we can see the bird's face.
Like, what is this one?
This one, you kind of see like there's a face. Looks like the face.
Yeah, you gotta really use your imagination.
Oh, you know what, boo? You gotta go by the whatever
the
feet direction of the feet is. That would have to be the head.
Wow, you get a set of them for $14.99. So you get 4 of them. So this would be the set. This one, this one. So you get one of each, basically. And one of this one. So that's the set. This is what you get. 4 of this for $14.99.
Yeah, it is nice. So it lights up the case.
I like that one too. They have that one in the green and they have a dark gray.
It's a nice, cozy little room.
Yeah, I like this one too. They're paper, but I'm sure they're the, paper that would last a long time if you take care of them. This one is $8. Nice.
It says $9.99. Is that the tree for $9.99?
Or is it the light?
Is it the lights?
No, it's the lights. The lights are $9.99.
Yeah, it's an LED string lights. Yeah. And a sofa. Wow, this could be a real setup.
Yeah.
If you have a really small space.
Yeah.
Kitchen area right here, little sofa area, bed on top. And you come around here, you can watch your TV. Got storage in the bottom. You got storage on top. Yeah, this is a really good idea for small spaces. Little section for your clothing. Come around here. Get your bathroom. Oh, you're taking a shower? How are you taking a shower in that thing? It's just, it's kind of tight here for a shower.
The eating area.